Hello, and welcome to the Oracle Cloud Job Report video presentation. If you're looking to get a better understanding of the health of the Oracle Cloud job market, then this is the video for you. This report normalizes and summarizes the job requests we received from over 100 different recruiters and companies into 9 key performance indicators. It is created monthly and released on the Monday after the first weekend of the month. This report focuses on Oracle Cloud full-time and contract opportunities within the United States. Before we get started, let's quickly go over the 9 key performance indicators, or KPIs, we're using to assess the health of the Oracle Cloud job market. They are as follows. First, of course, the net new number of jobs. Second, how those new jobs are distributed according to skills. Third, the trend month over month of those new jobs. Fourth, how that trend plays out or as organized by what Oracle Cloud calls its pillars. 5, new jobs by role, so think functional, technical, techno-functional, project, operational. 6, new jobs by location, or what you could also call remote. 7, the trend for remote jobs. 8, new jobs by contract type, so are you employed, W-2, are you corp to corp, 1099? And then finally, we'll take a look at new jobs by the top recruiters. So there's 10 or 12 large recruiters in the space, and we'll take a look at how many jobs each of those released in a given month. Okay, so this is the data or the report for September of 2022. We'll start with the first KPI, which is new jobs. 92 new jobs. You'll see it's in red, and it's in red because it's down from 125 new jobs in August. It's also below the 6-month moving average, which is currently at 103.8. KPI number 2, new jobs skill distribution. So again, those 92 jobs are broken out to jobs by role, technical, functional, project, techno-functional, and then the skills under each of those roles. KPI number 3, job trends by month. So as mentioned before here, what we're doing is we're just looking at how the net new jobs, in this case 92, what it looks like in comparison to prior months. So obviously big jump or drop in June. We had a good recovery, and then now it looks like we're starting to slow down a little bit more. We'll see next month. All right, so job trends by pillar. So that same 92 jobs, and you can see that there on the hard right, you can see that it's down. You can also see that the NA, or not applicable column, is still there. So I know I'm going to get asked. So not applicable really refers to where there is no pillar. So certain project type roles, program director, project manager, solution architect, tester, etc., app admin, security, right? They don't have or often will not define the pillar that those jobs belong to. So we just put them as not applicable. The rest you can see. KPI number 5, new jobs by role. So here you can see the 4 different roles, and you can see how many jobs for each of those roles. KPI number 6, new jobs by location. So you can see here a big split from California, Connecticut, Florida, etc. But what you really see is that 60, that big piece of the pie that says 60, those are the remote jobs. And so I know that there's always a big concern or curiosity around, okay, if we got 92 new jobs, how many of those jobs were remote? So it looks like 60 of those jobs were remote. KPI number 7, now, out of those remote jobs, how does it trend in comparison to its past? So you can see it's currently at 74%. That's down from 77 in the prior month, but it's still within the range of 65 to 85, which is what we've seen since the beginning of the year. Okay, KPI number 8, new jobs by contract type. Okay, so you can see here that there's corp to corp, which encompasses everything that is a contract employee, so no benefits, hourly, an SOW, a beginning date and an ending date, versus W-2, which is full-time. That's traditional employment, takes benefits, taxes, etc. What's also important to note is that 68 out of 92 is 74%. That 74% is the percentage of new jobs that are by contract. That percentage is above the 70% in the prior month, which is interesting. So a lot of times as the number of jobs falls, They tend to be more employment focused. That saves traditional hiring firms money. And so you often see that in a recession or as jobs cool down, but we didn't see that this month. So we have 74% is the number of jobs that were contracted or by contract, and that's up from 70% in August. Then lastly, KPI number 9, we have new jobs by top recruiters. So as you can see here, this lists the recruiters on the left and the number of jobs on the right. And so it looks like, again, PwC had a good number of jobs. Looks like IDC Tech is again the winner in terms of the number of jobs. Alpha Silicon certainly had more jobs, I think, than they typically had. And we see eSolutions come back a little bit to the pack as opposed to the month prior. Okay, so that's it for the metrics. If you want to see the detailed listing of jobs behind this report, it's easy. Just go to the red hyperlink here on your screen or go to panamere.com and under the work menu options, select Oracle Cloud Jobs. If you want a copy of this report, that's easy as well. Email us at jobreport@panamere.com. If you're a recruiter and want to include your jobs on panamere.com and in this report for free, email us at work@panamere.com. And as always, if you have any feedback based on what you've seen, email us at feedback@panamere.com. Okay, so that's the end of this presentation, but hopefully just the beginning of your Panamere journey. There are thousands of free videos just like this on panamere.com. Remember, better content, better skills, better income, better life. Panamere wants to help you get 1% better every day. Thank you for watching and have a great day.